Good morning. What we've done is we've put some telegraph poles up. Anyway, ones that are already painted on bases, Pico model scene 5080 was £5 for 6, and I wasn't going to pay that. For 6 poles with a base I'm going to cut off, no way. So what we did, we bought a Pico ratio kit, Romeo Tango 452, 16 in a pack for £4. And what I did was I sprayed them with Halfords grade primer, and then we used Halfords camouflage spray paint, brown extra matte, to spray the poles. Don't bother spending a fortune on Humbrol paints because it's just not worth it. And now what people do is they talk about where to put them, and basically what we did was we looked at what looked right, basically is what we did, because nobody gave it a definite answer. Some people said 2 coaches, some said 1, and nobody really gave a definite answer. So what we've done is we've put them in how we think they look and work with the layout. I mean, obviously it's all subjective, but we did what was right for us. Now what I did with these was I then used a wash, Humbrol black wash, enamel. I put that lightly over the camouflage, Halfords camouflage brown, just to try and weather them a little bit. The white, I used aqua colour Revell 36301 silk matte white for the insulators. I used mud brown 80 Revell aqua colour, just lightly, just to make them look a bit more realistic. And the steps, I used aluminium 99 Revell paint. Okay, now we read online how far apart to put them. Some people said 2 coaches, some 1, but the most interesting thing I read was one guy wrote you put them how they look right with the layout. Now we put them quite a long way apart, and in my view they just did not look right. They didn't look realistic, and in real life you do see telegraph poles quite close together, especially in towns. Anyway, what we did was, on the longer stretches, we put them 300mm apart. On the bend, we put it 200 because they're closer on the bend anyway. And as for height, you won't see it because of the way I'm holding it. They're about 8 centimetres high, 80mm high. That's what we thought looked right, because they're about, I've looked at pictures, and they're about there on the rooftops, and that's basically how we did it, and we think it looks okay. But as I've said, I think it's subjective, because you look at pictures of real towns, no distance is exactly the same. Maybe on railway tracks it is, but in towns it's slightly different. Thank you very much.